Hello and welcome to Phases of Angie, content with you in mind. In this video, I am going to DIY plain canvas sneakers into something spectacular. Items used for this project are Mod Podge, fine glitter in colors black, silver, and gold, art paint brushes, a styrofoam bowl, white canvas sneakers, gold silk ribbons, and room temperature water. I start by removing the shoelaces from the sneakers. Stuff the sneakers with plastic bags to hold the shape. Pour Mod Podge into a styrofoam bowl. Using an art paintbrush, paint the Mod Podge on the front of the sneaker. Pour fine gold glitter on the Mod Podge application. Allow excess glitter to fall onto the paper plate. Work in small portions and repeat these steps. Allow 20 to 30 minutes drying time. Once the base of the sneaker is done and dry, paint Mod Podge on the tongue of the sneaker. Pour silver glitter on glue application. Tilt the sneaker to allow excess glitter to fall onto the paper plate. Once this section is done, move on and apply Mod Podge on the main portion of the sneaker. Pour black glitter on the Mod Podge application and repeat on the other side of the sneaker. Make touch-ups as you go. I wanted to add extra flair by lightly sprinkling silver glitter on the black glitter. Shake off the excess glitter onto the paper plate. Touch-up areas if needed. In a small plastic bowl, pour a very small amount of room temperature water, add a small amount of Mod Podge and mix well. This thin mixture acts as a sealant to seal the glitter on the sneakers. Paint this mixture all over the sneakers. Allow 2 hours drying time. Using a clean, dry art paintbrush, brush off glitter that may be loose. Using gold silk ribbon, take the shoelaces that came with the sneakers, measure the shoestring along with the ribbon, and add an extra inch on the ribbon. Burn the tips of the ribbon to bind the fabric to avoid splitting at the ends. Lace up the sneakers as desired. And there you have it. I was pleasantly surprised of the outcome. Tell me what you think in the comments. Thank you to all of my subscribers and all of my future subscribers. I truly appreciate you all. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also check out the other DIY projects on my channel. Thanks again for watching Faces of Angie, and I'll see you in the next one.